Welcome students. We'll be discussing here very important and interesting topic, function. We'll make it clear with the help of a very simple example and we'll try to define it. What is a function? So let us try to understand this example of a function. Suppose here A and B are two non-empty sets. Set A is having elements 1, 2 and 3 and set B is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us try to establish a rule which defines that how elements of set A can be associated uniquely with elements of set B. Suppose this rule is like this: fx is equal to 2x. Later on we'll understand that this f is a function here, but for the convenience presently we are talking it as a rule. So some rule f is established here which defines how elements of set A can be associated uniquely with elements of set B, because here f of 1 can be written as 2 into 1 is equal to 2. F of 2 will be 2 into 2, that is 4. F of 3 is equal to 2 into 3, this is equal to 6. We are getting these numbers with the help of this rule. So diagrammatically we can connect these numbers here. 1 is associated with 2 here, 2 is associated with 4 and 3 is associated with 6. Here this rule, this association is known as function. But some very important criteria is there, some condition is there which will be clear with the help of definition of function. So now let us try to define what is a function. Definition. Please try to understand it. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. If there is a rule such that if each and every element of set A is associated with unique element of set B, then a function f, generally we denote a function with this letter f. Sometimes we denote with g, h also for more than one function, but if one function is there, we denote it with f. So a function f is said to be defined from set A to set B, and this is written as f colon A arrow B, means some function f has been defined from set A to set B. So here this is very important to note these words, keywords here. If each and every element of set A, you see here each and every element of set A is associated there, associated with a unique element of set B. 1 is associated with only one element 2, 2 is associated with one and only one element 4, 3 is associated with one and only one element 6. So each and every element of set A is associated with unique element of set B, not more than one element. If any element is associated with more than one element, then this function will not exist. Or if any number 4 is here, which has not been associated with any number of set B, then this is not a function. So you have to keep in mind that if each and every element of set A is associated with unique element of set B, then a function f is said to be defined from set A to set B. And for this particular case, particular example, this function will be written as fx is equal to 2x, because we are getting association of these elements with the help of this definition, fx is equal to 2x. So now this is clear that set A and set B are two non-empty sets. Each and every element of set A is associated with unique element of set B. Then a function f is existing here, and we write it f colon A arrow B. Now let us see some terms. Domain of the function. Domain of the function. Here we write DOM for domain, in bracket we write f. Domain of the function. Here domain of the function is set A. Set A consisting of elements 1, 2, 3. So if any function f is defined, is existing between these two sets, then domain of the function is the set A. Next term is codomain of the function. Codomain of the function. This is written as CODOM for codomain of the function. This is set B. Here elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set B. Set A is domain, set B is codomain. And range of the function. Range of the function. Here try to understand carefully. Range of this function is a set which consists of only those elements of codomain, means set B, which elements are associated uniquely with elements of set A, means 2, 4 and 6. So codomain range of the function, this is written as range of the function, is a set which consists of only those elements which are associated with elements of set A. So here elements will be 2, 4 and 6. This is range. And what is image of a function? Image of an element. Here these elements which are associated with elements of set A are known as images of the corresponding elements of set A. It means image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4 and image of 3 is 6. So alternatively we can say that range is set of images. So this range is consisting of elements 2, 4 and 6, set of images only. So these are some terms: domain of the function, codomain of the function and range of the function that we have to understand. So students, I think that this introductory part of function is clear to you. In the next video we will see types of functions and we will discuss some problems also. So students, I hope you might be getting benefit from these videos. So please subscribe my channel HiQ Learning and share these videos with your friends also. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.